I've been modifying cars now for over 10 years, and I'll be the first one to admit when I make a mistake. And on the Miata, there is one big regret that I have with this car right now. And that is this radio. If you guys remember, about 2 years ago, I took out my radio delete panel and I threw in the cheapest doubled-in CarPlay radio that I could find on Amazon, and it is just garbage. And I wasn't expecting miracles or anything like that. I just wanted a radio that would work, and I found that this one does not cut it. It is wired in CarPlay, which is kind of meh. It charges your phone, but it's very clunky, it's very slow. A lot of times I will be driving and it'll just freeze and then restart, and the only way to get the music back on is to restart the entire car. And if I want to go home, I can't click on anything to go back to the home screen. It's just, I'm locked into Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay, and I have to unplug it, go back to this shitty screen, and yeah, it's just terrible. It's time to fix it. We need to just replace the radio. Which brings us to this. This is the ATOTO A5 series doubled in. I actually have this in my track car, and so far it's held up pretty well. It's got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android audio, and I know it's a track car and everything, but it works really well. I don't have to worry about it. My phone just connects and it plays music. So we're just gonna get right into this. You guys have seen enough radio installs. I think every single NC Miata person who's made videos on YouTube has made a radio install video. But we're just gonna dive right in, get the dash taken apart real quick. All the wiring should mostly be there, but I think we're gonna have to adjust a few things, so we're gonna be on the new workbench. If you guys missed that video, go check it out. But let's cue the music so we can cue the music. So we are working. It looks like everything is just kind of booting up right now. So I'm gonna wrap all of this garbage up together and then we'll jump to the next clip. New radio is in, everything is all reinstalled, and I've gone through the screen setup a few times. It should now, when I turn the key on, it should just automatically start Android Auto and automatically connect my phone. Oh, there it goes. I think it's going. Yep, it is going. So obviously, like, all of these Android-based units are all kind of different. Like, this is the same radio I have in my Fit, but it has a different user interface. So I'm happy with it just connecting automatically. No more cables. It's wireless CarPlay, which is awesome. That's what I needed. There's just so much bulk that they put in all of these Chinese radios that aren't like proper Sony or whatever. There's some cool stuff that you can do, like load Spotify on here. It's got and the sound quality is actually much better than that old radio. Sorry for the trash truck in the background, but it's like a million degrees out. The heat is here for sure, so It's just something that we got to deal with. But yeah, car radio is installed. I'm very excited that it just works, and now I don't have any more cables, and it just seamlessly connects. Sounds better, works better, it's faster, so really excited about that. So now the car is about ready for Miatas at the Gap. It's gonna be a long drive, but I'm gonna have a better radio, which I'm super stoked on that. Car needs to go get inspected. I think I've fixed my check engine light for the exhaust, so I can get inspected and registered, and I'm pretty sure I should be able to just fill up the AC with Freon and be good to go. This car is so close to being nice again. Not that it hasn't been nice, but like, I've been neglecting the creature comforts on this car, and I recognize that. So we're just making it better. Go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be ready because Miatas at the Gap is coming up. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.